So let's talk about our rationale behind our design choices. This is our website, Digital Information Literacy in the Misinformation and Post-Truth Era, powered by WordPress.com. Our slogan is in capital font, "Don't be quick to click." Our menu is laid out at the top of the website to make sure that it's easily accessible and visible for our learners. Each module is laid out in order: fake news versus propaganda, analyzing self-bias, fighting fake news, and our references. While brainstorming on ideas for this learning object, we found that the biggest limit for our design was our skill set. We could create a video or website with our collective technological skills. We went with a website for a few different reasons. We could all collaborate on it with ease. It would be easily accessible by our peers as well as learners, and we could more readily incorporate interactive design elements as outlined in UID theory. We ensured that our website was accessible and fair, so that it was easy to navigate, easy to read. Images and videos also were included for visual learners. By scrolling down on the website, you come across a video. This video is to incorporate more visual objects for our learners, and it describes an overview of our website and what you'll learn from it. We used Powtoon to create this video, and it just gives a brief overview of our different modules. We also included a quote at the bottom as well to go over the theory of digital information literacy. We also wanted to make sure that our website was straightforward and consistent. So it follows our storyline by listing the modules in order, and every module has the same font and format used throughout. So clicking on our first module is fake news versus propaganda. So here we have our content on fake news and propaganda and what the differences are. It's easy to scroll through and font is easily read. We also included GIFs to make it more interactive and fun. At the bottom of the page, you can like, share on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, or WordPress. Our next module was analyzing self-bias. Again, you can see that it's consistent using the same font and format. Our third module was fighting fake news. Easy to scroll through, and it provides GIFs and fun images to bring the content to life. And scrolling back up. And our references page as well. So these are all the references that we use throughout for all of our content. And we also have our references for our images as well. So navigating back to the home page, we come back to this nice image of a woman reading a newspaper, our video, and that is our website. So we really wanted to incorporate the different themes of instructional design Um, we wanted to also provide flexibility in use, participation, and presentation. So it's also available on different formats. So this website is available on mobile and tablet formats as well. And we also minimize unnecessary physical effort of requirements. So it's really easy to navigate for all users, so digital natives and novices.